12號嘅大媽為我哋表演嘅 Escape Song。
Sweating. Last night really was the cherry on the cake. Been some dark days lately and I'm finding it privileged. Excuse my state, I'm as high as your hopes that you'll make it to my bed. Get me hot and scissors. I take a step back to see the glass half full. At least it's the part of two-piece that I'm trapping in. And I'm bored with the acting like a bit dummy. So you might as well stick it. Just like hard bitch, high heels, 6 inches, black with the nightclub, sipping champagne. I don't trust any of these bitches I'm with in the back of the taxi, slipping.
Thank you， 大媽 ，Thank you。好，精彩表演完咗之後，我哋放鬆下傾下偈先。喺韓國嘅時候咧，聽聞大媽係有去算命嘅，被批咗一個命叫做公主命，係咪可唔可以解釋一下？
哇！呢、個真係需要分享，因為完全冇喺節目剪出嚟啦。
係。
咁我哋咧我哋有個環節咧係神婆算命啦，係幫我哋每個 MBC 嘅朋友啦。然後咧嗰日咧神婆一算啦，神婆睇我哋前世今生嘅。咁佢一算咧，佢就話你前世係一個公主，你前世係一個黃色嘅公主，係一個沙漠地帶嘅公主。跟住就嚇，然後全部人都喺度笑咯，然後全部都覺得好似
係富貴命嚟嘅前世。
但係佢又話我係孤獨同埋領囚禁咯。
OK， 原來仲有下半部分。
係。
OK， 唔緊要，呢啲前世已經過咗去啦。咁啊嚟緊啊展望啦，總決賽最後嘅拉票時間交俾你啦。
好，hello 大家好，我係全民造星6、5、12號參賽者大媽。咁咧咁啊好開心可以喺東港城呢度同大家見面啦。雖然啱啱表演有少少唔係咁好甩漏啦，但係我都會盡我努力去呈現更好嘅舞台俾大家啦。然後玩咗比賽已經大半年啦，然後中間經歷咗好多啦，然後一集一集播出，一集一集望住自己唔同嘅面向啦，亦都經歷咗好多啦，得到好多聲音同 feedback 啦，都好多謝大家嘅。然後我想講嘅係，即係我唔知將來條路係點啦，亦都唔知將來會用咩方式同大家見面啦，但係我好想把握今次決賽呢個機會啦，然後俾更加多嘅人睇到發光嘅我啦。所以咧我好想大家喺我背後肯推我一把，投我票，多謝。
Thank you，Thank you 啦，大媽。希望你都掌握自己命運啊！喺決賽咧可以表現最好嘅大媽。Thank you。
Thank you。
好，跟住落嚟出場嘅。